Hi, Deadlocks here again, and today I have this Hiatt Security 70mm padlock. Big beastie. Don't think it's any relation to Hiatt, the cuff company, but I thought I'd have a go at doing an out of the pack pick. So the advert for it did say in their experience you need to use an angle grinder to get them off if you lose a key. I'm going to test that theory. What do you think, Mrs. D?
You're going to break your cuffs?
No.
You're going to break a lock?
Why would I break the lock?
Because you don't, if you lose, oh, you've got the key. I have to use the key for you.
I don't plan on losing the key. I just want to test out the theory that you need to use an angle grinder if you do lose the key. How many pins has this got, actually, before I get started? 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 6 pin. Fitting's not too bad neither. Apparently, according to the package, it has some standard pins and some mushroom pins in it.
Mushroom pins?
Mushroom pins. Got a bit of a turn on the core there. That sneeze like?
No, it's a cough, but you normally say bless you when I cough.
Oh.
Do you know how generic stripes? Are they complete or are they broken?
Can be either.
No, but I'm asking about ours.
Well, that put up a good fight. So yeah, the advert saying that you wouldn't. Yeah, I was being sarcastic.
Oh, you're being facetious.
Not sarcastic.
Facetious.
So yeah, the advert saying that you need an angle grinder if you lose the key might not be that true. Did feel like there was some dodgy pins in there. They weren't all standard feeling, but they weren't like Airbus mushroom pins. It was more like it's like a giant Master 410 with 6 pins. Anyway, that's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.
You know what the highway code is, mate?
Hi, I do. Cheers. Uh-huh.